So in the problem, we have to find the number of perfect squares up to 60,000. So here we can go by the some example. So we are taking some 100. So number of perfect squares up to 100. Okay. So here actually below, but we are taking up to na. So till 100, how many perfect squares are there? Now we know that square root of 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, up to 100, we are having 10 perfect square. If it is below 100, we are having 9 perfect squares. Okay. So we are having the question that how many perfect squares are there below 60,000. So we are taking the number 60,000. 60,000. And we are grouping 2 digits. Okay. Okay. Now by the division method, so we have to choose a number which is a perfect square and which is near to the 6. So we are having 4. So 2 2 ja 4 na. On subtraction we are having 2. Now we have to drop down these two numbers at a time. Now we are having 2 in the quotient, so we have to double it. 2 2 ja 4. Now if I take 1 here, we have to take 1 in the quotient. So 1 into 41, 41. So no, it is very small to the 200. So 2 into 42, that is 84. No, it is also not possible. So 3 into 43, that is 129. No, if I take, okay, 4 into 4. So 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1, 17. So very close to the 200. If I take, so 45 into 5, so 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20 plus 2, 22. So it is 225 is bigger than 200. So I am taking only 200. So we have to take a number which will be less than 200. So I am going by the 4. Okay. So I am rubbing this one, rubbing this one. So 4, same 4 should be written here. So 44 into 4, we are getting 176. Okay. So I am rubbing everything here. Okay. Now, so 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2. Okay. Now we have to drop down the remaining two numbers. Okay. We are having 24 in the quotient. We have to double it. 24 2 ja 48. So if I take 1 here, so 1 into 48, 1 into 481, we get only 481. So very small number. So 2 into 482, that is 800 some change or 900. Okay, not possible. So 3 into 483, some 1300, small number. So 484 into 4 we are checking. So 4 4 ja 16, 4 8 ja 32 plus 1, 33. So 4 4 ja 16 plus 3, 19. So we are having, so 1936. You may be having the doubt that, so shall we go by the number 5? But here, if I multiply these two, 5 4 ja 20. So we are having some 18. So we are getting a number which will be greater than the 2400. Okay. It is simply by the trial and error method. Okay. Now here, on subtraction, 10 minus 6, that is 4. So 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. Na? Here it will become 3. Na? So 13 minus 9, we are getting 4. Okay. But here we don't have any number, okay, to drop down. So it is the remainder here. Okay. Now 60,000 is not a perfect square, but if we eliminate 60,000 with 464. So whatever the number we get, so it is a perfect square. So we are eliminating, okay, 464. Okay, now 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 6, 3, and 9 minus 4, 5, and it is 9. 6 will become 5. So 59,536. Okay, so it is the number which is a perfect square. So square root of 59,536 is, we are having 244. So we are having 244 perfect squares below 60,000. So totally we are having 244 perfect squares. Okay.